There's probably more in the ground. There we go. There's some potatoes. Oh, they're so pretty. All right, the very first of our potato harvest. I think I'll stop the video and then start it again when we have them all harvested. Oh, you feel more?
Oh, dude, there's a
Okay, we finished it. We finished harvesting most of the rest of the bed. He replanted a couple to see how those do. But here is our big old tote of potatoes. And these are Pontiac Red potatoes. And some of them are quite big. Focus. Yeah, but they're very pretty. Pinkish potatoes. But I'd say that was a good harvest. I'll harvest my little potato bed later.